Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to fix iPhone stuck on airplane mode. Step 1. Turn off airplane mode using the control center. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen for iPhones with Face ID, or swipe up from the bottom for iPhones with a home button to open the control center. Tap the airplane icon to turn it off. The icon will be highlighted when airplane mode is on and will be grayed out once it is turned off. If this doesn't work, proceed to the next steps. Step 2. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart can fix many issues, including problems with airplane mode. For iPhone X or later, press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power off slider appears. Slide the slider to turn off your iPhone. After your iPhone shuts down, wait for about 10 to 20 seconds. Then press and hold the side button again to turn it back on. Step 3. Toggle airplane mode in settings. Open settings. Scroll down and tap airplane mode. Turn off airplane mode by sliding the toggle to the left. If the toggle doesn't respond, continue with the following steps. Step 4. Reset network settings. Open settings. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Reset. Tap Reset network settings. Confirm the action. You may be asked to enter your passcode. This will reset your network settings, including Wi-Fi password and VPN settings, so you may need to re-enter Wi-Fi credentials afterward. After resetting, check if airplane mode turns off. Step 5. Update iOS software. Open Settings. Go to General. Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. After updating, check if the issue with airplane mode persists. Step 6. Restore your iPhone as a last restore. Open Settings. General. Reset. Tap Erase all content and settings. Follow the prompts to confirm and restore your iPhone to factory settings. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!